eToro Crypto App. The pros, the cons. The eToro Crypto app is built for both trading and investing in cryptocurrencies, plus social trading features that let you follow experienced investors. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only a beginner platform. It actually offers advanced tools for experienced traders too. Pros include access to popular cryptocurrencies, a clean and intuitive interface, and the ability to copy trades from top investors. Users can trade crypto alongside stocks and ETFs, providing a diversified portfolio in one app. Security is strong, with two-factor authentication and regulatory compliance in multiple jurisdictions. The app also offers real-time price alerts, portfolio tracking, and educational resources for new users. Cons include higher spreads compared to other exchanges, limited staking options, and no direct control over private keys since eToro acts as the custodian. Active traders may find fees add up over time. In summary, the eToro Crypto app is ideal for investors who want an easy-to-use platform with social trading features. It's great for beginners and intermediate traders, but those seeking full control over crypto storage may prefer other options.